The DJI Osmo Action was released as a direct competitor to the GoPro Hero. In fact, you could almost say that it was a clone, but it did have two features that I really did like. It had a large rear touchscreen and it had the front screen, which made it great for vlogging and a feature that GoPro picked up in its later generations. The Osmo Action wasn't a GoPro killer, but it did put them on notice. Then last year, instead of making improvements to the Osmo Action, DJI dropped a modular cube design with the DJI Action 2. And I personally thought that meant that was the end of the Osmo Action and DJI decided to go a different route. But it looks like that I was wrong. Two popular DJI leakers tweeted that the DJI Action 3 is coming. And not only is it coming, it's coming very soon, less than a year after the Action 2 was released. And it's going back to the body style of the Osmo Action. That's unexpected news for a lot of us. I'm going to continue to keep you up to date on all the latest camera news. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss all the updates. When I first saw the tweet, the first thing that came to my mind was, already? It's less than a year since the Action 2 was released. Let me know in the comments, are you ready for an Action 3 or is it too soon? I was like, well, how accurate is this information? There are indications that DJI has something planned in the near future. And one of the sure signs that a company has a new product coming out is that they put their old one on sale. And that's exactly what's happening with the DJI Action 2 and their combo packages. They're all on sale at a pretty significant discount, which means they're trying to move old inventory to make room for the new stuff. The more I thought about it, releasing a new product in less than a year may not be all that unreasonable, because the action camera market is extremely competitive and there's constant pressure on the manufacturers to come out with an upgrade or a new product. And GoPro has already announced that it has big plans for this year and going into the next year, so DJI has to keep up, and making an announcement in September when GoPro usually makes their announcement might steal a little bit of their shine and get them an early start on the holiday season. If this information is true, it could be bad news for GoPro. The Osmo Action was very similar to a Hero, but it was competitive and pushed forward with innovative ideas like the front screen. Now DJI has had 2 years to continue to work on it. Maybe they're about to release a Hero Slayer. Personally, I'm excited about the potential of DJI going back to an action camera with a body style that's similar to the Osmo Action. I didn't get the DJI Action 2 for a few reasons. One, I like having the SD card slot on the main body of the unit. I didn't want to buy an extra piece to be able to get more memory. Another reason I didn't get the Action 2 is because of the overheating issues. Now that's a problem with all action cameras, but what I was seeing is that they are really having a problem with that because the unit is so small. And also the battery life just wasn't long enough either. And the reason why those three things are such an issue for me is because how I use my camera. I like to do dash cams, I like to do time warps, time lapses, and having an action camera that is going to overheat, the memory get full, and the battery die all within 30 minutes just wasn't gonna do it for me. So some of those concerns could be taken care of with a bigger design, that goes backwards instead of continuing along the modular path. So I am interested in seeing if this is true and if next month we're gonna get some big news from DJI. Rest assured that GoPro isn't going down without a fight. They have big plans for 2022 and 2023 that you definitely want to hear about. Check them out in this video.